Want smooth Topaz settings for your edits? First, create an adjustment layer. Add sharpen and copy my values. Now add unsharp mask and copy my values. You can see the difference between before applying these effects and after applying these effects. Now render and import your clip into Topaz. Open your clip in Topaz and copy these settings and values. You can change the sharpen amount according to the sharpness of your video. Preview, so you can clearly see the difference between before and after. After this, you can apply your CC or color correction settings. Join my Telegram group for any kind of help with editing and editing related stuff. Thanks for watching.